Another one! Oh my God! Leave me alone!
Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Mohawk River at Little Falls.
What?
When? From this afternoon to this evening.
I don't even see the notification for it.
At 15.0 feet.
Oh, there it is. You're late.
Water overflows onto Route 5 near Fort Herkimer and farm fields are flooded.
Oh my God.
Additional details. At 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 14.2 feet. Forecast. The river will rise to 15.0 feet this afternoon. It will then fall to 12.9 feet and begin rising again tomorrow morning. It will rise to 13.0 feet tomorrow evening. It will then fall again and remain below flood stage. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 15.0 feet on April 22nd, 1993. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Alright, now leave me alone. Please.
Synopsis. Low pressure will pass east of the region today.